The old woman was dying, but her son still refused to see her. In a small hospital room, Martha held her phone with shaking hands. Tears rolled down her old face as she whispered, "Please, call my son one more time." The nurse looked at her with pity and dialed the number again. Far away in the city, Adam looked at his ringing phone angrily. "Why does she keep calling me?" he said. He wanted to ignore the call again, but something in his heart made him answer. Before he could speak, he heard his mother's weak voice. "Adam, please come. I don't have much time left." Adam stayed silent. Then he said coldly, "I told you before, I'm not coming." The old woman closed her eyes in pain. "Son, I only want to see your face one last time." But Adam's heart was full of anger from the past. "No," and he ended the call. At that moment, Martha slowly started crying in the hospital bed like a helpless child. Years ago, Adam and his mother lived together in a tiny broken house in a poor village. Life was very hard after Adam's father died. Martha worked day and night just to feed her son. She cleaned houses, washed clothes, and sometimes slept hungry so Adam could eat properly. But Adam never understood her love. As he grew older, he became ashamed of his poor life. His friends had better clothes, better homes, better lives, and slowly anger filled his heart. One night, Adam came home angry after being insulted by rich boys in town. "I hate this life," he shouted. Martha quickly stood up. "What happened, son?" "You are the reason for my suffering," Adam screamed. Martha looked shocked. "I tried my best." "Your best was never enough," he shouted. Those words shattered her heart. Martha's eyes filled with tears. "Please don't say that." But Adam was blinded by pain and anger. "I wish I had a different mother." The room became silent. It felt like Martha's heart stopped beating for a moment. That same night, Adam packed his bag and left the house. Martha ran after him barefoot in the cold rain. "Adam, please don't leave me alone!" But Adam never turned back. That night, Martha cried until sunrise. After Adam left, the house became painfully quiet. Still, every evening Martha waited near the old window. Whenever she heard footsteps outside, hope appeared in her tired eyes. But every night, she slept alone. Months passed. Loneliness slowly destroyed her health. One freezing night, Martha suddenly collapsed on the floor. Neighbors rushed her to the hospital. The doctor spoke softly. "She is very weak. She may not survive." Even on her deathbed, Martha only remembered her son. "Please call Adam again." Back in the city, Adam tried to forget her voice, but he could not sleep that night. Her weak words kept repeating in his mind. "I only want to see your face one last time." Suddenly, painful memories came back. His mother carrying him when he was sick, her giving him food while she stayed hungry, her smiling even during hard days. And for the first time, Adam realized something. His mother was poor, but nobody in the world ever loved him more than her. Tears filled his eyes. What have I done? Adam ran outside and drove to the hospital as fast as he could. "Please wait for me, Mom." When he entered the room, Martha was breathing very slowly. Her weak eyes opened, and when she saw Adam, a soft smile appeared on her face. "Adam, you came." Adam fell beside her bed, crying loudly. "I'm sorry, Mom. Please forgive me." Martha touched his face gently with her trembling hand. A mother never stops loving her child. Adam held her tightly in his arms, but life was already leaving her body. Martha looked at him one last time. "I waited for you every day." And then, in her son's arms, the old woman took her final breath. Adam screamed with pain, "Mom, please don't leave me!" But it was too late. That day, Adam learned the most painful lesson of his life. Sometimes we hurt the people who love us the most, and we only understand their value when they are gone forever.